If you're responsible for customer experience or service operations, your operating model is about to be made redundant by AI. BCG forecasts that Tier 1 support will be removed from the contact center entirely in the not too distant future. And that shift has already started.
And in this video, we're going to show you how AI will disrupt customer experience management, what an AI-enabled operating system for CX looks like, and how organizations are starting to implement it.
Most CX leaders think that the impact of AI is further away than it actually is. AI is already becoming the first point of contact between customers and businesses. AI is becoming the front door. Even if you're not consciously planning for it, you'll arrive there naturally. Conversational IVRs, chatbots, perhaps some email automation. Before you know it, every customer touchpoint is AI mediated. And that's a natural progression because every customer touchpoint is either inherently or by proxy conversational. Websites, mobile apps, phone calls, email messaging, they're all conversations. And AI is becoming a master at having conversations at scale.
And AI systems are increasingly capable of taking actions and carrying out end-to-end processes. And so the volume of conversations handled by AI is increasing consistently. That means Tier 1 support is just the first thing to be absorbed by AI.
And your customers are ready for it, absolutely. They've been trained to talk to AI for years. Smart speakers normalized it initially. ChatGPT is accelerating it massively. Hundreds of millions of people now expect technology to understand them and to be able to do stuff for them. The question is, how prepared is your operating model when customers bring those same expectations to your business when they contact you?
The current customer experience operating model is built around people, not technology, and that's what's breaking. CX leadership has largely evolved into two things: workforce planning, the desperate scramble to meet rising demand, and quality assurance, the uphill battle of maintaining service levels while both customer expectations and contact volumes rise. All the while you try and do those things, everything around you is shifting. What use are your current roles, metrics, governance, and technology when Tier 1 support is a thing of the past, and Tier 2 becomes a partnership between your people and AI?
Most organizations have approached AI incrementally so far. Call summarization, disposition code generation, knowledge search, next best actions. These all make human agents more efficient, but efficiency improvements don't change the fundamentals of the operation. But AI will change the fundamentals of the operation. As soon as AI starts handling customer contact directly, the things that become important is experience design and technical architecture. And those things become more important, or at least as important, as staffing decisions, because the experience delivered by AI will touch more customers than your people ever could. In an operating model designed around humans absorbing volume, that fails when AI answers the front door.
A new mental model is emerging. Customer experience is no longer a function. In the world of AI, it's an operating system. It governs how organizations understand customers, make decisions, take actions, and respond across journeys and channels. In this model, AI is not an add-on. It's a core pillar of the system. It's fundamental. When AI handles the first contact, intent understanding becomes critical. Decision-making, reasoning, knowledge, process, and action all become a part of what you have to design and manage. You have to define what the AI knows, what it can do, and where its authority and autonomy begin and end. You decide where AI stops and humans step in. If AI carries more responsibility and handles more volume than people ever could, then making that happen requires a completely different approach to how you orchestrate services and run your operation.
In the future operating model, humans are no longer there to absorb demand. They're reserved for complexity, for judgment, for recovery. They handle the edge cases, they make irreversible decisions, and they step in when things go wrong. The AI handles all the simple stuff, all the basic knowledge queries, all the low-risk processes, all the things that are currently taking up all of your time.
When designed well, this operating system creates leverage. AI delivers consistency across channels for all the use cases customers just want solving quickly. And every conversation generates shared insight across sales, product, service, and support. Insight that once lived in people's heads can now be analysed and acted on at scale. People move from handling conversations to designing and improving them. Human agents become specialised in designing AI agents and supported by AI co-pilots. Now nothing else matters but the customer outcomes. That's all anyone is focused on. This creates more meaningful work than volume handling ever did.
And this operating model is already emerging. Some organisations will arrive there organically. They'll have a chatbot that performs well, they move it onto the homepage, it handles more use cases, it gains more autonomy, it spreads across channels. Others arrive there deliberately by defining this target operating model and then designing towards it. And what matters is that this isn't a tooling conversation. This is an operating model conversation. The tooling is just what will enable that future operating model.
Customer experience and IT have to work together. Experience design, technology, data governance, and people strategy are now inseparable. The future of customer experience is about designing the system that responds to customers at scale. When that system is designed well, CX stops being a cost center and becomes one of the most strategic value drivers in the business.
If you want to learn more about why cost reduction is an incomplete strategy for AI and the 3 ways that AI can fundamentally change how your business creates value, then check out this next video.